The 2014 Tech 10 is Alpinestars' most advanced motocross and off-road boot to date. It's a boot that benefits from being scientifically designed in the lab and continuously developed and proven in racing for uncompromised performance and durability. The Tech 10 has been built with the latest material technology for an exceptionally durable, protective, and lightweight structure, given the level of performance and support. If you examine the Tech 10 from any angle, you can see how sleek the boot surface appears. All the buckles and protective features are built within the outer profile, ensuring you're not going to snag anything that might deflect the foot or pop the boot open. Beginning at the bottom, the entire lower boot chassis is actually comprised of 5 different polymer compounds, co-injected into one lightweight, indestructible structure. These compounds work synergistically to provide flexibility in the front where it's wanted, with uncompromised strength and protection around the toe box, rear, and main sections where it's needed. The main structural chassis of the boot is designed with a low, comfortable toe box and unique profile forefoot to allow easier shifting and improved feel and control on the rear brake. Alpinestars' proprietary dual compound sole makes use of advanced rubber technology to achieve the very best combination of grip and durability. In the case of very aggressive foot pegs, the Tech 10 features large inserts which are easily replaceable. As with all our boots, the entire sole can be replaced if needed through our in-house footwear service. The medial surface of the Tech 10, which incorporates a large suede surface and advanced honeycomb rubber insert, is purposefully flat and smooth to give the most surface area possible for feeling and gripping the bike. The upper part of the Tech 10 has an extended full-grain leather and microfiber gaiter that helps keep out water and dirt. The microfiber is flexible and abrasion resistant and further reinforced with polymer coating for water resistance and easy maintenance. A dual Velcro closure system with a wide entry aperture accommodates a broad range of calf sizes for easy entry and removal. The contoured shin and calf protectors formed from thermoplastic polyurethane incorporate Alpinestars' dual flex blade system. This system not only offers greater precision in movement, but it also protects against hyperextension and flexion, as well as impacts to the Achilles area. Inside the Tech 10, you'll find our all-new biomechanical ankle brace. This innovative brace features medial and lateral dual pivot torsion bars that allow for natural freedom of movement, but also provide progressive damping that mitigates harmful torsional forces. Additional TPU protection around the heel and an EVA footbed provide a cocoon of comfort and defense from within, while an ultra-thin and flexible forefoot promotes high sensitivity and control. Microfiber suede on the inside heel of the outer boot secures the inner brace in position, while all new buckle closures provide quick and effortless positive locking and release. These buckles are made from high-impact aluminum, and the self-aligning straps have memory settings, saving you time and hassle. They're also completely replaceable should they sustain any damage. Fully CE certified, the Tech 10 is the latest evolution of Alpinestars' racing heritage and is the winningest motocross boot in history. Everyone from weekend enthusiasts to world top riders can enjoy the Tech 10, a boot that will continue to set standards for protection and long-lasting performance for years to come.